What's going on, Crypto Yang gang? It's your boy Crypto Yang coming at you with a space mining update. So, a lot of people screaming scam from space mining. I still don't see why. So, the service has been running for 23 days. I started on day 20. I reinvested for 3 days, and this is the 4th day now. It says 23 days, but it's actually 24 days for me. Total investment is 0.02277790 Bitcoin. I originally invested about $200 into this. That's right here. This is what I sent. I reinvested. So now this is it is actually day 3 because I did invest before 24 hours was up. So, but that was the third reinvestment. This is now I have just put in a request for a withdrawal. A lot of people are saying, oh, well, this is a scam because the wallet that they sent the money to is now sitting on 0. But I have done some research, looked into that, and I'll actually show you guys what I'm talking about. So, view transaction. As you can see, there were transactions sent to these addresses, okay? This address is still sitting on part of that money. This one says 0, but if you look, when this got sent here, then this got sent there, right? Look at this balance here. Look how many transactions. The total received has been 3.3 mil. The final balance is 88,000. There have been numerous transactions being made. Numerous. Today's the 30th. The timestamps on these are the 31st because of where the time zone is on this website. But as you can see, they're still being sent. So we're gonna find out. I made my withdrawal, my payout request. This was only about. This was at 9:22 p.m. Central Time, and the amount that I withdrew was a little bit over $18. Okay. Status is on pending, and I'll update with an update. I'll post an update on this if I get paid by the morning. If I don't get paid by the morning time tomorrow night, I'll check again, and we will see if they have indeed sent my payment or not. And we'll see what's going on with this. Hopefully it's not a scam. Hopefully people are screaming and they're not doing their due diligence or their research. People were saying that there was a $0 balance on the account, but I see a huge account right here that still has a lot of money in it. Okay, so I don't know what they're looking at. Maybe they were looking at that the first balance that you saw 0 on, but it was 0 because they sent it to this bigger wallet. And this bigger wallet has a lot more received than it does final balance. So, we'll find out. Crypto Yang signing out.